little adventure right here. So I got this from Peter Piper Pizza. Normally it's supposed to go like this. It's supposed to be a rocket ship. These parts were a rocket ship, but you know what made me feel better? Just this being. Look, it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to have this. It's supposed to have this. Yeah, it's supposed to like have these things. It's supposed to have these so it'll look like a rocket ship. So when it's like going up. But then what you know what made me feel better? I cheered them all up. It made me feel better. So now I just have this weird thingy. Alright, so it's supposed to go like this. It's supposed to be like a thing, like yeah, it's supposed to like go up and like boom, like this. Sometimes it just goes sideways and it go so yeah, I can do that. Sometimes you go sideways and it just goes on you. But yeah, it worked. But, oh yeah, there it goes. I suppose that's how it's supposed to work. But then on Christmas, last year Christmas, I got this toy. A toy gun. I got this toy gun. And you know what made me feel? You know what happened? I thought this was the thing to shoot, but no. It wasn't actually the thing. It was this. It was this. You just pull it back and then boom. But that one made me curious. You know, in my head I was like, you know, you should make this the bullet and the bomb right here. And this one triggers the bomb. I made an invention. Today, I made this new thing. I'm gonna go up there, close this. It needs to be on top of the bullet. Or if it's not, it won't work. 3, 2. Camera woman, put it like there so you can shoot. So you can see you shoot. Alright. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You saw that? You see it?
I think it was a little blurry.
You see that? You see that? So now I will never lose on a Nerf battle again. So, and just to test if it's painful, I'm gonna test it. Turn around. Turn the camera around. On her. Camera.
No!
It won't hurt. It's okay.
No, I'm not okay.
Before we do that, it's good. Before we do that, I'm gonna show you how it works. So it's gonna. The reason why it needs to be behind a bullet is because what it triggers, it's gonna push the bullet, and then when it triggers, when it shoots, it's gonna push the bomb and go like that. And this one's actually useful. I'm not gonna take it off. I mean, it would be useful, but then it won't. But then it won't have space. It won't have space for it to move it. And inside it was okay. It's okay. But in the inside it will be okay. So look, it's gonna go push it, but it's gonna push, and then it's gonna go farther. So this one's left behind, and it's gonna go further. But when it loses its balance, the bullet is gonna push that, so it can go. It could be painful. And back to experiment on my sister, the camera woman. She's people call it cameraman. So yeah. But since I don't have a boy, camera woman.
We now have 3 birds now because we just.
Yeah. Wait, 2 more. Alright, anyways.
And we just have 2 sisters.
I'm
the only one that's little.
Hey, Anyways, we're gonna test it.
I'm
It's it! Bro, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8 p.m.
8 p.m. 10. Our bedtime is in 10.
No, I want my bedtime to be an 8. So we change it to 8.
Alright, so we're gonna test experiment. I don't know what to say. It won't hurt.
Okay.
Just to see her more, to see her be in more pain. We're gonna do it like this. Alright, stand up, Ashan. It's time for you to make you. She's running away. Fine, I'll do it myself. Alright.
You're gonna do it first, and now I'm gonna try that. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it first next time. I'm gonna try it.
Yes. Wait, you're gonna go?
Yeah, you. Put it.
That way.
Just put it. No, wait.
Alright, there you go. Stop it.
Hey.
Oh, what you did? Bruh. Bro, pause.
Okay. Sorry guys, we had to pause because I don't know.
It broke down.
It broke down.
Hey, I'll work on it.
I'm doing it to you now.
Alright.
I'm doing it to you now because I'm so scared.
Not now. Alright. Guys, time to see my pain first.
Like, I'm the littlest because I'm 6.
I'm 8.
When I turn 7, I'm almost to his age.
I'm 8. But it's too late because I'm gonna be 9 and she's gonna be 7.
Ready? Set.
Ah! What?
What the? It fell out of my scissors.
It's how
What? I got another one.
Stop throwing!
Eh.
Alright.
What's the other one? Okay.
Sorry guys. 2000 and had 7 minutes already. We need to hurry up.
Yeah.
Alright,
You
so
didn't even feel the pain.
you gotta sit your aims.
Fine.
You do it since you already do it 2 times.
No. I'm just so scared. Don't even say I'm a scary cat, or else.
My channel.
If you go to my channel, don't you watch
Alright, Alright. So it's not gonna work now. You keep on aiming down. Alright. Oh! It worked! It worked!
How was it?
Painful. Well, now it's not painful. Do it in my sister.
No, it's not here. How if I go down to heaven?
Huh?
How if I die to heaven? 'Cause I'm scared. Some YouTubers say that. And actually, this is your channel, not my channel, because I already have my channel. Look, guys, I already have my channel. This is my brother's channel.
Hey, this is my channel. This is my channel. Stop revealing.
I just want
Just go watchers. Just go to her. She does. I have 5. She has none, I think.
If you hear that, that's me and my brother doing a TikTok. You will see in my TikTok.
Me to do TikTok dances.
Not every day. Look how many TikToks I always do by myself. I have so many.
TikTok is your hobby now.
Uh-huh. So, guys, this is mine. A.
Alright,
I made a lot of them. Look. One of them
So
by
if you
myself.
want to go watch her channel, see what she does. Go to Ana Montañez.
Look how many TikToks. How a lot of them.
All right, it's time to tag. I'm so excited for this.
How did my doggy there?
Stop acting. All right. Oh. Hold up. If I could play that in slow motion, then I don't have editing skills. It actually worked. The bullet actually pushed it and make it have more speed. It
It
actually
didn't hurt
worked.
because it went to my hair.
But anyways, that's it for today, guys. See ya. Bye. See you tomorrow, maybe. Bye.